All right, Bruchim and Boy, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas, Parshas Toldos, at least that's what they told us. In Genesis 25, verse 22, we read, and the sons were running around inside of her, and she said, if this is the case, why do I even exist? And she went to seek out the Lord. So Rashi says, that when she went to make an inquiry, Leves Midrash Shel Shem, quoting from the Medrash Rabbi, Parshas Rabbi 63:6, that she went to the school, the study hall of Shem, of Melchizedek, Shem the son of Noah. So the Heilige Zayda, the Maharal in Prague, as the Hasidic and Gosselmain asked, but the Leishala is Yitzchok es Avram. Why did she go to Shem? Why didn't she go to her own husband Isaac or to her father-in-law Abraham? Yishlerm the Heiser Rivka Savur Shem b'shvil Chet Yeshbod Sarah Ibor Kol Kach. So we might say that Rebecca thought that maybe it was some sin that she had committed that caused her to have so much pain and suffering in her pregnancy. Because the sages say that all righteous and saintly women are not in with the sin of Eve that says that you give birth with pain. This is cited in the first chapter of the tractate Sota in the Babylonian Talmud, Sota 12a, Yud Beis Amud Aleph. Dem Yol displays Tsar Avor Valeda, so that the women who are righteous give birth without any pain, and the pregnancy and the birth are both without pain. So she thought maybe her husband would disrespect her, saying that she is not a saintly woman, or maybe Abraham would tell Isaac that she's not worthy of him, and then maybe Isaac would go marry someone else or divorce her. So then, this is Leves. Why do we say that she went to the house of study of Shem? Because it would have been enough to say that she sought out the Lord, but the fact that it says that she went to seek out the Lord, that word vatelech indicates that she actually went somewhere to go to an oracle and receive that. So that even though we might ask, why do we assume that she went anywhere? Why does Rashi have to tell that? And so the Maharal explains that it's specifically because of this word vatelech, and she went. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.